Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name's Erica. If you're new here, welcome. We are going to be going over some Dollar General all digital scenarios with the 5 off 25 for Saturday, May 2nd. We have laundry detergent for just 85 cents each and bags of cat food for just $1.06 a piece. If you want to find out how we're getting such a great deal, just keep watching. Real quickly, let me start by saying I'm not encouraging you to go out, but if you do go out, just be safe. Quickly, a few things you're going to want to remember. You're going to want to scan every item in the store with the app. The reason you're scanning every item, you want to check to make sure the prices are coming up correctly. Sometimes what's marked on the shelf is not what the actual price is. Another reason is you want to make sure the digital coupons are attaching, especially if you're doing the gain scenario. You have to make sure that gain $5 off coupon attaches to every single item that you're putting in your cart. If that gain coupon does not attach to one single item, your whole scenario will not work. Also, you want to make sure that your total is $25 before coupons come off. If you're doing the gain scenario, you need to make sure your total is $30 before coupons. We don't have any instant savings in today's scenarios, but if you did, instant savings comes off before the $25. So if you were trying to get $2 instant savings on a certain product, you would need your total to be $27 before tax. And last but not least, get what you need, not what is cheap. And now a quick rundown of how to use the app to scan your items. First thing you're going to do is open your app. Down at the bottom, right in the middle, it says list. You're going to click on that and it's going to open up your shopping list. Then up top, you're going to check and make sure that your location is the store that you are at. If not, you're going to hit change store and select the correct location. And finally, you're going to click on this little barcode and it's going to open up your scanner. I'm going to scan a few items from my stockpile to show you what we're looking for. First, let's scan this bottle of Gain dish soap. You'll see that there's a 50-cent coupon attaching to it, as well as the Gain 5 off 30 coupon. So you could use this item in a Gain scenario. Now let's add it to our cart. If we click right here where it says deals applied, it'll drop down and show you the coupon attached to that item. Let's go back up here and hit the scanner again, and we're going to go and scan another item. Here we are going to scan an Airwick multi-refill pack. Once we scan it, we are going to see that there are no coupons listed below, which means no coupons attached to this item. One last final and quick thing is this subtotal at the bottom here on the right. Do not go by what this says. Sometimes it'll be correct, but more times than not, it will be incorrect. My suggestion is do a little old school math on a piece of paper with a pencil. Before we go any further, let me tell you about Fetch Rewards. If you are truly serious about couponing and saving money, then you need to download this app. Fetch is the easiest app to use. They have over 300 participating brands. Basically, if you buy one of their 300 participating brands, Fetch gives you cash back. They also have bonus points they give for certain products that are featured on their Discover page. Even if your receipt doesn't have any participating brands, you'll still get 25 points. So if you don't already have Fetch Rewards, go ahead and download the app. You can use my referral code, BRYQQ. You'll get 2,000 points when you scan your first receipt. I like to use my Fetch Rewards money to pay for my couponing hauls to lower my out-of-pocket. You're going to be shopping anyway, so why not maximize your savings by scanning your receipts into Fetch? So for last time, download the app and use my referral code, BRYQQ. Okay, now let's get started with the scenarios. This first scenario is a Gain scenario. You're going to need to make sure that Gain digital coupon attaches to every single item, so be sure to scan, scan, scan. You are going to buy one of the Gain liquid detergent or flings for $3.95. You're going to buy one Gain dish soap for $2. You're also going to buy one Swiffer wet cloth Gain scented for $4.50. You're going to buy two of the Mr. Clean multi-surface cleaners. They're $3 each. You have to make sure they are Gain scented. You're also going to pick up two of the Febreze oil refills. They're $5 each. Again, make sure they are Gain scented. Then you're going to buy one Gain fabric softener for $3.95. Now you want to make sure these coupons are clipped to your account. The $1 off one Gain detergent, the $1 off one Swiffer item, the $1 off two Mr. Clean products, the $5 off two Febreze refills, the $1 off one Gain fabric softener, the 5 off 30 Gain purchase, and your 5 off 25. After the cashier scans all these items, your total will come to $30.40. You're going to enter your phone number at the keypad. $19 worth of digital coupons are going to come off. Your new total before tax will be $11.40, or just $1.42 per item. For our next scenario, we're going to pick up one of the Bounty Essential Paper Towels, 6 rolls for $5.50. We're going to pick up one of the Charmin Essential Toilet Paper 12-pack rolls for $5. We're going to pick up 2 of the All Laundry Liquid Detergent or Mighty Packs. They're 2 for $8. We're going to pick up 1 of the Snuggle Warmer refills for $3. We're going to buy 1 Gain Detergent, Liquid or Flings for $3.95. Now you're going to want to make sure these coupons are clipped to your account. You're going to use that $1 off 1 Bounty digital coupon, the $1 off 1 Charmin digital coupon, the $4 off 2 All Laundry Detergent digital coupon, the $3 off 1 Snuggle Refill digital coupon, the $1 off 1 Gain Detergent digital coupon, and of course you want that 5 off 25 clipped to your account. After the cashier scans all your items, your total will be $25.45. You're going to enter your telephone number into that keypad. $15 worth of digital coupons will come off, making your new total before tax $10.45, or just $1.74 each. Moving right along to our next scenario, you're going to buy 2 of the Febreze refills. They're $5 each. You're going to buy 2 of the All Liquid Laundry Detergents or the Mighty Packs. They're on sale 2 for $8. You're also going to buy 1 Snuggle Warmer refill for $3. You're going to pick up 1 Crest Cavity Protection toothpaste for $2. You're going to buy 1 Tide Simply Pods for $2.95. Now you're going to want to make sure these coupons are clipped to your account. You're going to need that $5 off 2 Febreze digital coupon, the $4 off 2 All Laundry Detergent digital coupon, the $3 off 1 Snuggle Refill digital coupon, the $1 off 1 Crest digital coupon, the $2 off 1 Tide digital coupon, and of course you're going to need that 5 off 25 clipped to your account. After the cashier scans all your items, your total will come to $25.95. You're going to enter your telephone number at the keypad. $20 worth of digital coupons are come off, making your new total before tax $5.95, or just 85 cents per item. For our fourth scenario, we're going to pick up 1 of the Crest Cavity Protection toothpaste for $2. We're going to pick up 2 of the All Laundry Liquid or Mighty Packs. They're on sale 2 for $8. We're going to buy 1 of the Snuggle Warmer refills for $3. We're going to pick up 1 Gain Flings or Liquid for $3.95. We're going to pick up 1 Tide Simply Pods for $2.95. We're also going to buy 1 Gain Fabric Softener for $3.95. And we're going to pick up 1 pack of Always Radiant pads for $4. You know the routine. Let's make sure these digital coupons are clipped to your account. You're going to need the $1 off 1 Crest digital coupon, the $4 off 2 All Laundry Detergent digital coupon, the $3 off 1 Snuggle Refill digital coupon, the $1 off 1 Gain Detergent digital coupon, the $2 off 1 Tide digital coupon, the $1 off 1 Gain Fabric digital coupon, the $2 off 1 Always Radiant digital coupon, and of course you're going to want that 5 off 25 clipped to your account. After the cashier scans all your items, your total will come to $27.85. You're going to enter your telephone number at the keypad. $19 worth of digital coupons will come off, making your new total before tax $8.85, or just $1.10 per item. And now for our final scenario. We're going to pick up 3 of the Kitten Caboodle indoor dry cat foods for $3.75 each. It has to be the indoor dry cat food brand for it to work. Next, we're going to pick up 2 of the All Laundry Liquid Detergent or Mighty Packs. They're on sale 2 for $8. We're going to buy 1 Snuggle Warmer refill for $3. We're also going to pick up 1 Tide Simply Pods for $2.95. And now how the magic works. You need to make sure these digital coupons are clipped to your account. You need to clip that buy 2 get 1 free digital coupon for the Kitten Caboodle. You need to clip the $4 off 2 All Laundry Detergent digital coupon. You also need to clip that $3 off 1 Snuggle Refill digital coupon. You need to clip that $2 off 1 Tide digital coupon. And of course, you're going to want to make sure that 5 off 25 is clipped to your account. The cashier is going to scan all your items. Your total will come to $25.20. You're going to enter your telephone number on the keypad at the checkout. $17.75 worth of digital coupons will come off, making your new total before tax $7.45, or just $1.06 per item. Okay guys, that's all the digital scenarios I have for you this week. It looks like there's a good possibility things may start opening back up and we can start getting back out to couponing. All fingers crossed it's not too soon, but I can say I'm excited and super ready to get out there and do some couponing. If you haven't yet subscribed yet, will you go ahead and subscribe, hit the little bell, turn on notifications to all so you get a notification anytime I post a video. Also, if you don't mind, please go ahead and give this video a big thumbs up. It really helps my channel out if you do. If you have any comments, questions, complaints, negative things to say, go ahead and drop them in the comments down below. And if you're not yet following me on Instagram, you should go over there and follow me at My Couponing Life on YouTube. Or you can go over to TikTok and follow me over there at My Couponing Life. I want to thank you all for taking the time to watch my videos. I also want to thank everybody who commented such nice, wonderful things on my last video. That meant the world to me. I actually did not get a single negative comment on that video, which makes my heart happy. Apparently calling out the bullies in your video will keep them from commenting negative things on the video. So thanks again for all the great comments I got. I love you all, and until next time, bye.